Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my top tip on how to make your lips look bigger without filler and without overdrawing your lips. A lot of people overdraw their lips. Honestly, in my opinion, it doesn't look that great. You can always see the lip within the new lip area. I just think if you do the way I do, it just generally looks better. You're going to need two things. You're going to need a lip liner, which is either the same colour as your natural lip if you're doing something very, like you just want to wear a gloss but you still want your lips to look bigger. Or if you're wearing a lipstick or a liquid lipstick, you need one that is a shade darker or 2 shades darker than the lipstick that you're wearing. Today I'm going in with my NYX Urban Cafe lip liner. And I'm going to show you on like half of my lips just to kind of show you like a comparison, I guess. What you're going to do is you're going to draw on your lip line. Now if you look at your lips, if you literally take a mirror right now, you can see a border around your lip where it is raised before it meets like your face, your cheek, like up here there's a border. That raised border is your lip line. Now if you keep looking, you will see areas that are missing pigment. It's still your lip, it's just missing pigment. It's almost like vitiligo, where like your skin loses pigment in patches. Most people have that in their lips. It's not vitiligo, it's just natural. You will have less pigment there. Now if you look on me right here, I'm missing pigment. It is pink, 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 and then it disappears. If you follow that line up, that is my lip. It happens again over here. I'm missing pigment. Again on my top lip, I'm missing pigment. And it is only on the very edge of my lip. For some people it is more obvious than others, but usually you've got a lighter border of your lips anyway, no matter who you are. Now I've got foundation and concealer and everything on, so it's a little bit harder to see on me than it is if you are used to your own lips. If you study your lips almost with you having no makeup on, you get to see exactly where that pigmentation is missing, and that border that I was talking about is generally lighter than your face, but it's also lighter than your lips, and that is your lip outline. So that is where you're going to put your lip liner. As you can see, I'm staying on that lip liner. If you are struggling to find where your lip border is, take a fluffy brush, something like this or smaller, with a highlighter. Just sit without doing any kind of like puckering or anything. Just sit and dust highlighter powder over your lips like that, all over your lips, and that will actually mean that anywhere that is raised will have highlighter on that area, and it kind of gives you a bit more of a guide. Some people, when their lips are smaller or not quite as plump, it is slightly harder to see. So I've lined my Cupid's bow and down to here. Now if you want to make your top lip look bigger, do not go to the very corner of your lip. You can actually cut the corners of your lips off, like this bit here, with your liner. And just take that slowly inwards, almost like a banana curve, like a really stretched out C shape. You want to take it inwards rather than going to the very corner of your lip. Now I'm going to do the same on the bottom. And again, I'm going to cut off this corner. Matching up with the liner on the top lip. Just like that. Now you can see when I'm stretching my mouth, there is a section missing, but in everyday to day life, when you're talking and you're walking, nobody's paying that much attention. Nobody's gonna see, and it actually camouflages in. Like, if you look on this side, it's quite obvious that that's the corner of my mouth. So I've made my lip appear shorter, like not as wide, and that is gonna make a massive difference. I'm then gonna take my lip liner and I'm gonna shade in the outer edge inside of where my lip liner is. And then just blend it a little bit with my finger. Now I'm going to take a... Oh, that ring came out of nowhere. I'm now going to take a lipstick. You can take whatever lipstick you want. I'm going to use a really light lipstick just to show you, like, in full effect. I like to do this a lot anyway. I'm going to take this. I mean, it is a lot lighter than the lip liner we used. This is Wet n Wild Pink Sugar, I believe. Yep, Pink Sugar. Probably one of my favourite lipsticks. Now I'm going to apply this as normal, but I'm not going to take it all the way up to the cover the lip liner. So you can see I've took it up to and slightly onto the lip liner, but not covering it. And then I'm going to take my middle finger. These two, no, your thumb's useless, your pointer finger's too strong, and these two are too weak for what you want to do. You basically just want this finger and you want to tap over to blend the lip liner and the lipstick together. Just like that. Now you can see that my lips look a lot bigger on this side than this side already. If you want to take this a step further, you can take a gloss, a new gloss or whatever goes with your lipstick. The two I literally only own 2 lip glosses. I have a clear one which is no longer clear. This is the Filler Instinct by NYX, and this one is from Pixie. This is Sweet Nectar. Honestly, I find that these 2 shades are like the only 2 that I really need. If I want to make like a darker lip glossy, then I'll just put like Vaseline on top. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna take the Pixie one, and instead of applying it on the entire lip, I'm just gonna apply it on the plumpest parts to the very centre. And then take my finger again and pat just lightly, just to like spread it out a little bit and blend it a little bit more. Now, how good does that look? Like, it looks so much better. It looks so much plumper, and because I've cut the corner of my lip off, it gives a more pouty appearance. It doesn't make my lips look too long or too high for my face, but it gives my lips more of a pout. I'm going to finish off the other side so you can see the full effect. Okay, so that is it. Like, it's so quick, it's so simple. honestly, it is just the best little tip. Your lips just look so juicy and kissable. It is amazing. Let me know what you think down below. Have you got any tips on how to make your lips look bigger without filler and lip liner, without over drying your lips, sorry? Let me know down below, and as always, please give me a like, a subscribe and a comment down below. I really do appreciate it. Thanks, bye.